Hi, welcome to Jarvo, and I'm Jay. Have you ever had a conversation with someone and just did not understand what the person was talking about? Has there been a time when you just cannot think of that correct word? Well, I'm here to help you upgrade your hard drive. Each week, I will post a vocabulary word with the pronunciation, definition, and example. This will enhance your communication and comprehension skills while learning and speaking English as a second language. See you Sunday for the word of the week. If you would like to schedule a lesson with me, please click the head so we can go ahead and start this journey together.